Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, before we begin today's Bob Ross-esque style video, I should give you some context. So me and my friend Sam, who I'm sure you know who that is by now, he's been on the channel many times in the past. We were talking the other day about when I did the Hot Wheels replica of this truck, and I came up with this idea that wouldn't that make for the greatest birthday gift or Christmas gift, is replicating someone's car in a Hot Wheels. I missed Sam's birthday this year, so what I've decided to do is give him a better gift in replicating, not only replicating his truck in a Hot Wheels form, but also giving him the gift of surprise, because he's not going to expect a gift when it's not actually his birthday. So here is Sam's Volkswagen Caddy. This is his blue one now, because he's just sold the red one, which you would have seen featured on this channel in the past. But now he's got this blue one, and of course he also has the G60 wheels, which you can see in the photo, and he also has a teardrop. Now I think that is technically owned by his partner Sophie, so shout out to you, Sophie. And I just thought it was such an interesting setup. Now let's try and replicate it. Now, of course, I'm going to need the help of my girlfriend, Chloe, because she has steady hand. That's a US office reference. Nonetheless, we're going to dive straight into today's video. So sit back and relax for this no talking video. Happy birthday, Sam. And I'll see you guys in the next video.